Hey folks, it's another day, another unboxing, and this is the Echo Show 5-inch from Amazon. 5 is for 5 inches, that's the size of the display. This is an Amazon Echo like the smart speaker, but with a display and a camera that you can physically turn off by having a shutter slide over it, which is very, very cool. It's pretty affordable, only $80. And it came out in the summer sometime. But I was just at the MediaTek Tech Summit in San Diego, and a lot of people don't know that MediaTek is the chip that powers almost every Amazon device, from the Echo, the Fire Sticks, the Echo Show, the Fire HD tablets. Everything pretty much that Amazon sells that is hardware is powered by MediaTek chips. So let's see what we get for 80 bucks. This is what it looks like from the front. Obviously, it's like any Echo. You can play music from a whole bunch of services and control a whole bunch of devices via home automation. It's got Alexa, it's got Bluetooth, it's got Wi-Fi, audio line out, which is nice. It's got a built-in camera cover. So, you know, for the money and the specs, it does look more spec than a Google Home Hub or Nest Home Hub, as it were. So that's pretty interesting. So, you know, Alexa can show you things instead of just talk to you. Made to fit your life, control your smart home, hands-free video calling and messaging. So cool stuff. Let's open this up. It is brand new in the box. Whee! There's the seal and ta-da! There it is. Here's the device. We'll have a look at this in a second. See what else is in the box. There is a little documentation, Echo Show 5 from Amazon. Let's actually push this out of the way and have a look to see what's in here. Here are the controls. Shows you how to use it. Volume down, volume up, camera on off, camera cover, camera microphones, and then in the back you've got a power port and micro USB port. Not for power, interesting. And a 3.5mm headphone jack. You know, you set it up, getting started, blah, blah, blah. There is also in the box another little manual here. Oh, it's actually just a little card. Things to try. And then here, if I lift this up, I get presumably a power adapter. Yes, of course. So here's a power adapter, and that's it for the box. So we've got pretty chunky power adapter. As you can see here, it says 15 watt, and it's got, you know, a custom coax connector. So you won't be able to use this with anything else, unlike the Echo Dot, which has a micro USB connector. And so here is the actual display. Let's unwrap this sucker and take a look. Ooh, it's got fabric on it. How cool is that? So here's the display. Now I don't have a power source to plug this in right now, so this is just an unboxing. 5 inches. The resolution on this display is 960 by 480, so 960 by 480, plenty enough. Camera here can be literally physically covered, as you can see here, with a plastic. As you see, it's a little plastic actual cover, so you don't have to worry about anything happening there. Volume minus, volume plus, and this is the mute camera on-off button. And as shown in the instructions, here are the ports, power, micro USB for whatever that's used for, and a 3.5mm output. And behind this fabric, I presume, is a speaker of some kind. And that, folks, is the Amazon Echo Show 5-inch, or Echo Show 5, here on my channel. So that's it. I will probably not be reviewing this product. Anybody can get this. It's pretty straightforward. But I think it's cool, and I definitely use the Alexa home automation in my home, so I'll be trying that out instead of using an Echo Dot, which is what I've been using so far. And so stay tuned for more videos. Please like this video, comment in the comments below, hit the notification bell, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And remember that all these videos I make are a complement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So subscribe to the podcast. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple, Pocket Casts, Overcast, Spotify, pretty much everywhere. Mobile Tech Podcast, please subscribe. And if you want to discuss anything from the podcast with me, please find me on Twitter and on Instagram at Tankrl. That's TNKGRL. And let me know what your thoughts are. All right, stay tuned for more videos soon. Cheers, everybody.